Introduction to distributed wind power.
Distributed wind power uses small-scale wind turbines installed on or near rural homes to generate electricity right where it's needed. This approach helps provide reliable power for properties located far from traditional utility grids, giving homeowners greater independence from central energy sources and often reducing overall electricity costs.
How small wind turbines capture energy.
Small wind turbines work by harnessing the natural movement of wind. Their blades spin when the wind blows, turning a shaft connected to a generator. This motion creates electricity, which can be used immediately in the home. Turbines are usually placed in open areas where wind speed is steady and strong enough for efficient energy production.
Storing and using generated power.
When wind turbines generate electricity, the power can be used in real time or stored in batteries for later use. Battery storage is especially helpful for rural homes, allowing homeowners to access power even when the wind isn't blowing. Some setups also allow excess electricity to be sent back into the local grid, offsetting costs.
Installation and siting considerations.
Proper installation is crucial for successful distributed wind power. Homes need enough land for safe turbine operation, ideally in areas clear of tall trees and buildings. Permits may be required, and factors like local wind speeds, zoning laws, and available rooftop or yard space should be considered when planning a system.
Benefits and challenges of distributed wind.
Distributed wind power brings benefits such as energy independence, potential cost savings, and reduced environmental impact. However, it also comes with challenges, including upfront installation costs, ongoing maintenance, and the need for strong, consistent winds. For many rural homeowners, these systems provide a practical way to meet their energy needs off the main grid.